You a monkey, bitch. You a monkey, you stupid whore. You dumbass white cracker. Stupid stunnable, stupid salty bitch. You salty bitch. You's a salty bitch.
Do it.
Bitch, go ahead. Go ahead, bitch. Go ahead.
Cunt.
Stupid asshole. I want you to do anything, bitch. Do anything, I'ma whack your shit.
No, I'm gonna have you arrested.
I don't give a fuck. You shouldn't have called me out my name, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck is wrong with you? You a monkey. You's a monkey. You goofy ass bitch. Now recording. I got you saying it.
Right.
That's why I hit your ass with it.
That's what.
Call the police. Go ahead. I'ma stand here. You called me out my name. You said racist comments. You said racist
That's
comments.
not illegal.
You
And you
said
just banned
racist
it.
comments.
That ain't illegal. I have freedom of speech. Yo.
You cannot call nobody out their name.
Yeah, I can.
You call a racist come. Get out.
I can.
Get out my face.
Well, now you just touched
Get the fuck out my face.
Well, now you just touched it.
Get the fuck out my face.
Alright.
Goofy ass
Okay.
bitch. You call me a monkey. You stupid ass hoe.
Cause
Fuck is wrong with you?
that's okay.
Dumb bitch, you again. I don't give no fuck about your gun.
Ain't got no face.
I don't care about your
I
gun.
didn't get on her face. She
I don't
got
care about your
my
gun.
face.
You better use it the right way.
Aight.
You better use it the right way.
Aight. Whatever.
I promise you better.
Aight.
I promise you better use it the right way.
Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Aight.
Have a great fucking day. And I still ain't call you no racist comment. You fucking dumbass. You fucking dumbass.
You better
You
be.
called me a motherfucking racist comment.
But you better be.
You called me a
better
racist comment.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her. And she
Get in
better
your
be.
car and walk
And she
out.
better
You
be.
called me a racist comment.
And she better
You
be.
called me a racist comment, and I have you on tape saying it.
And she better be.
And I have you on tape saying it.
Right.
You popping out with your gun like you gonna do something. You better use that bitch the right way. Fuck wrong with you? Goofy ass nigga. Fuck wrong with him?